purpose of our French business courses is to enable people having to communicate with business partners, customers, to demonstrate their desire to bridge a gap between the cultures and the languages involved in a business relationship. Our French business courses are offered in two options. The first option is a group class with up to 6 trainees at a time, with a set program. And the second option is a one trainee class, customized, tailor-made to meet the expectations and needs of the trainee after we've determined together what his or her needs and expectations are. You can also consult my specific web page with French business course on my website, internationalmanagementtrainingcourses.com, or you can also contact me on Skype at pat_fr76. My Skype handle is also mentioned on my website. So I'm looking forward to talking with you about your project to be able to meet your needs and expectations. Thank you.